can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just doing a quick Gel-X set. I really love how they came out, and I'm really loving the A-Press Gel-X kit so far. So just keep tuning in. My phone did die during recording, so you will not get to see me file or shape my nails, but I promise there will be more videos in the future of me going into detail with that. Other than that, just enjoy the video and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here.
You could have all the space, all that you need. Ain't so pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I've been worried about them. Girl, you wanted, I see.
So these tips I am using from Amazon. I want to order the A-Press tips because I heard that they're 1,000 times better, but I did have some trouble sticking just having them just stay in place once they were on the nail. But once they were cured, it was fine. The tips are sturdy. I love the length, and of course you can cut yours down to the desired length, but I did have a lot better time just using my regular LED light, just because the tips just kept moving around. You could see me just making sure that they are staying on straight. But other than that, the tips were okay.
Could have all the space, all that you need. Ain't so pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I've been worried about them. Girl, you wanted, I see. And I am who I am. You can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you just giving you all you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. Ain't so pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I've been worried about them. Girl, you wanted, I see. And I am who I am. You can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world